Hi everybody, Brian and I are here today with Jeremiah from Apex Smart Home.
Hi, how y'all doing?
Hey guys, so Jeremiah, what services do you guys provide for new homeowners?
So we provide a variety of services for new homeowners. One of the biggest things that we do offer for our customers is, of course, best customer service, but we try to be the one-stop shop in all homeowners' needs. So we offer monitored security systems, water softener filtration systems, surveillance cameras, AV home theater. We also offer air purification as well as solar panels installation, and we even have a remodeling and reconstruction side of our company.
Whoa, that's a lot.
Yeah,
Yes,
literally your one-stop shop.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, we try to provide it all, and we make sure to give good customer service with all of our clients and our partners, because one of the biggest things about us is that we're a local company here in San Antonio, so all of our employees work here locally. You don't have to worry about calling a 1-800 number to get in touch with us. You have our personal phone numbers, you have our office numbers, so we'll be here.
Okay, so I mean, obviously, apart from all those services you provide in your company,
Yes, sir.
as a one-stop shop, what sets you apart from other companies?
Yeah, so one of the biggest things is, of course, as I mentioned, the local aspect. We don't subcontract any of our employees. All of them work for us, work for Apex, wearing Apex logo. So you'll definitely get that experience of, this person is working for this company. They're the ones that are going to treat me right, and I know that I can call this person, this technician, this sales rep, and I'm going to get a hold of them.
Right.
You don't have to worry about not being able to reach somebody due to it being, an out-of-state company, or their headquarters is in Utah, or
That's awesome.
some of the other companies that do work down here in Texas. They're not headquartered down here, so you can't get a hold of them that easily. And one of the biggest things as well is that we do our consultations and everything in person. We go out and educate the customers for free. We do not like to sell anything over the phone, because typically what happens, especially with a lot of the bigger companies, is they'll go and try to sell something to a customer over the phone, and then what ends up happening is that they end up purchasing something that they did not want to pay for, or they purchase all their equipment and they end up not getting what they originally wanted. Right, so we don't have set packages. We customize everything to meet the homeowner's needs. So we'll go out there, educate our customers for free, and let them know what our options are and how we can help them out. And of course, we try to stay pretty flexible. We work, after hours sometimes, and even on weekends.
Okay, that's pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Especially in the way this environment is, right? You have to be ready at all times
Yeah.
to get a call for something.
Yeah, always.
And speaking of which, I know, Susan, you use one of their water filtration systems?
I bought their water filtration system, which I absolutely love. Jeremiah and Brittany came out to my house, and it was very personable.
Yes.
You guys got to sit at my table, show me everything as far as the options that they had for the different filtration systems.
Yeah.
One thing I personally love is the fact that, for one, my hair is nice and soft and shiny.
Yeah, it looks
my
good.
skin is soft. My clothes are fresh.
Yes, ma'am.
And then I got the drinking portion of it with the alkaline
water.
pH
Yes,
balanced
the
water.
reverse osmosis.
Love it. It's made a huge difference within just my everyday. I feel like my vitamins, things are absorbing nicely. I don't know. I personally love it, and I'm really happy. It's a life changer.
We talked about it before.
It's
a life changer. Whenever you have a good water, good quality water, it changes your life for sure. Gives you so much, healthier balance to everything.
Absolutely.
Drinking, the food you eat, that you rinse with, and the water's a big thing for homeowners.
Yeah.
Well, awesome, man. Well, I know we have, I know we can find you on social media and stuff like that, so we'll make sure to tag all those things at the end of the video so people can track you guys and get a hold of you guys. But thank you for sharing that with us, and we'll hope to work with you soon, man.
Yeah.
Definitely. You can find us on Facebook, Yelp. We are accredited by the Better Business Bureau, and our website is www.getapexsmart.com. So you can find all that information there.
Thank you.
All right.
Yes.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.